Hi dear friends, welcome to Darshita's Creative World. Today let's see how to draw a rose step by step. First draw the letter S. Then make the top of the S into heart shape. Then draw a circle in the mid of the heart. And draw another circle inside it. Then draw a line inside the circle. Then draw another long line down the circle. Then draw a half U. Then draw another half U. Then draw a line. Then draw a V in the mid of that line. And draw its leaf like at the side. Then let's draw its stem. And then draw its leaf. Now your rose drawing is ready. Please like, subscribe and share this video for your friends and families. Thank you. Have a nice day.